In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change chart color in Excel. To begin, open your Excel sheet and locate the chart you want to edit. The first thing you need to do is click directly on one of the individual data bars or lines inside the chart. This part is important because when you click on a single bar or line within the chart, Excel will select the entire data series that item belongs to. In other words, if you click one bar in a series, all of the bars in that same series will be selected together. Once that data series is selected, right-click on the same bar or line. This will open a quick action context menu with several formatting options. This menu gives you a fast way to make visual changes without having to search through the full ribbon or other formatting panels, so it is a very useful shortcut when you are customizing charts. In the pop-up menu, look for the Fill option. It is usually shown with a small bucket icon. Click that Fill drop-down to open the color choices. This is where Excel lets you adjust the appearance of the selected bars or lines by applying a different fill color. Now choose the color you want from the theme palette grid. The theme colors are useful if you want your chart to match the overall style of your workbook or presentation. If you need a more exact color, click More Fill Colors. From there, you can enter a specific hex code or RGB values. That is especially helpful if you are trying to match a brand color or keep your charts visually consistent across multiple files. After selecting your color, take a moment to verify the result. The bars in the selected data series should update immediately to the new color you chose. This instant preview makes it easy to confirm that the change looks the way you want. If it does not, you can simply reopen the Fill menu and try a different option until you are satisfied with the final look. A helpful tip here is to make sure you are selecting the data series itself and not another chart element, such as the chart area or plot area. If the wrong element is selected, the color change may affect something other than the bars or lines you intended to edit. That covers everything you need to know.